All right, summertime watermelon salad, let's give it a go. This was one of my mom's favorites. At least some of these ingredients here resembles very closely one of my mother's favorite dishes. Let's give it a go.
Today we're making a refreshing summer salad with a simple twist. It's bright, it's full of flavor, and it's infused. We'll start by prepping the fruit. Cut your watermelon into bite-sized cubes. Slice the strawberries, and give the blueberries a good rinse. Once that's done, take a small bunch of fresh mint and give it a rough chop. This is going to add a nice pop of freshness. Now, grab a large bowl and lay down a bed of baby spinach as the base. Add your cubed watermelon first, followed by the chopped mint, then layer on the strawberries and blueberries. Next, crumble in some feta cheese. It adds a creamy, salty contrast that pairs really well with the sweet fruit. Then sprinkle a handful of candied pecans for crunch and a little sweetness. Now for the infused balsamic vinaigrette. In a small bowl, whisk together balsamic glaze and just a drizzle of your infused olive oil. Unsure on how to properly infuse olive oil? Check out our previous video for a detailed step-by-step guide. Those two ingredients go a long way. Once it's well mixed, pour it over the salad and give everything a gentle toss to coat. Finish with a little more feta or pecans if you like, and serve it chilled. This salad is crisp, colorful, and easy to make. And as always, enjoy it responsibly.
All right, summertime watermelon salad, let's give it a go. This was one of my mom's favorites. At least some of these ingredients here resembles very closely one of my mother's favorite dishes. Let's give it a go. Oh, I'm gonna have to say, I'm not doing it because he's standing next to me. And I know that's gonna, in the comments, they're gonna be like, oh, he's standing next to him. No, everybody knows I'm pretty brutally honest with everything. This is a banger. A little fresh mint, dude, with the watermelon and the balsamic, hit so hard. I just had lunch. I'm spitting all over the place and I could clear this whole bowl. I said you guys might get some of this. I don't think that's the case, guys. Well done, 10 out of 10, kill it.